its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release, but Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
All right, so I'm harvesting some salad. I'm decided to only cut the top and not the head because I want it to regrow. And so I'm just going to show you a portion of the salad. But of course, I did harvest the whole top portion of the salad. That's just a portion there, you see? All right. And that's a whole that I harvested, ready to go. And over here, we have some celery and other crops flowering here. And I see, as you can see, this other crops looking pretty good so far. Again, this is your first time viewing my channel, you will want to go back to my previous video, as I am a beginner. And it's been a year since I lived in the country, and it's been a year since I started the growing. So we have some stuff growing in there. We'll definitely keep you posted on the progress of how things are. Yeah, keep you posted. And there you have it. All right, so if you're new to this channel, welcome. And we pray that this will be a blessing to you. If you want to see more of these type of videos on country living, just go to the playlist that I've created. And you can go through all the videos on practical country living, my practical country living experience. As I said before in previous videos, I am a beginner, just going by faith. I highly recommend you check out this video on my move to the country to get a foundation to all my future videos. All right, thanks again, and God bless you. Thanks for your support.
Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is